I'm out here on the Falcon, the Begode Falcon. I'm here in the Rawsonville, Worcester area in South Africa, and it's absolutely beautiful roads here. And I'm just going out for a little afternoon ride. It's been so hot here, like 32 degrees, but it's absolutely beautiful. Look at the wine fields or rows. It's the farmhouses and the mountains all around here. Absolutely beautiful. We went for a like a 10k hike this morning, and yesterday I went for a nice little ride on the Falcon. But it's so nice. It's absolutely brilliant. You know, you can't. There's just, the roads are wide, the roads are nice, people are friendly. And it's just an absolutely beautiful area. If you want to come and do some wine tasting as well, Rawsonville, Gaudini, all the Slanghoek, that's all really nice places. But yeah, we're just going to go for a nice little ride. Nice little ride down to the cellar, the wine cellar, and then we're going to turn around and then blast back. I'm just doing a nice little ride just to get some miles on the Falcon, just to get an idea of how this wheel is, and then I'll give you guys some feedback. I've had it now for about 3 rides, 1 short ride and 2 longer rides, and yeah, I'll give you some feedback when I've got a bit more miles under my belt. But man, so far pretty nice wheel, for the size and whatever. See, this is the cellar where they make wine and stuff. Absolutely brilliant, beautiful, man. To watch out for the cars. But yeah, this is the cellar, Gaudini wine cellar. Beautiful area. And there you basically get to the end here, and it's just all the mountains and stuff. Beautiful. But yeah, let's sign off, and then I'll give you some feedback in a separate video. This is just going to be some random footage. See, a Sneeuwkop wine estate. Beautiful, yeah. Crossing some main roads here. Feel a little bit, what do you call it? Vulnerable on these massive roads. See, there's Dagbosch, South Africa wine, Uni wine. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. Look at this wine region here. All the wine vineyards. That's the word I was looking for. Absolutely beautiful, man, beautiful. Look at the mountains here in the front. So we're just staying like right there in that valley. And yeah, just out for a little cycle ride and exploring ride. Okay, well, I'll shut up now and get some riding done. Speak to you soon. Cheers.